iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Amazulu nil, Mamelodi Sundowns nil. TSTV Premiership, number 1 versus number 2. Sundowns lead by 6 points as they came into this game. Unbeaten, 9 matches to finish the league invincible. Will they create history? We shall find out as the matches go on. Junior Khanye, our analyst. Junior, your analysis of the game, what did you make of the game?
Kulego my brother kunjani?
Sham forward.
Bulise wena ngibulise uJustice.
Easy.
Afethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV. Fighting no one. We trying to fix South African football. Kulego. Amazulu I think azenzele favor ngokuthi athathe le game ayisela lapha kulela ground. It suit them. The pitch rugby football uyayibona kuney'dindi eziningi kakhulu. It was not playable. Ibhola mawuphusha lesala. Amazulu bewa ngadlali ngama department whereby obvious always I watch them. I know ukuthi they winning. Angithi abanye abantu babona mabawini ukuthi kanjani, you understand. First of all, back four yabo they were very stable because there was no much Sundowns have created. Yeah. Both teams in fact have created so many chances. Yeah. Amazulu bewadlali for futhi back four yabo they were flat. Badlala bayi4 bangatheki ngawo. Thembela Sikhakhane some moments ukuthi can join uqalinge beka check ama moments. In the middle Makaula, Sichebe, they were playing both. 2 defensive midfielder whereby basitha ku back 4. Balala phezulu kwe back 4 whereby ba protect back 4 yabo ngizama ukusho kanjalo. Ngoba bazi ukuthi Mabuye, Mkhulisi, Mshishi they drop. You understand abalanda ibhola they know ukuthi kuba i problem, but Sundowns noma ngabe I downfall yabo bekuthi yes they were dominant in the middle but scattered. Namhlanje mawungacheka Mkhulisi has lost so many ball badlala bayi3 diamond shape. Rivaldo protector labantu abayi3 abayi2 at the back bayi2 ngoba these wing back they go and then it become a sweeper ngoba ba more wide mangabe kuza umlengo uphethe ibhola mhlambe noma ngabe uqalinge uphethe ibhola so uba isweeper ulo makaphethe ibhola Rivaldo scattered Umkhulisi bekafa and naye ulo Mabuye mabamphasa beka thola ukuthi ba square kanje. Sometimes he play backwards okanye mhlambi ground ingam-allow ukuthi apush even an extra touch noma ngabe bekaliphusha mhlambe not more than 3-4 uthola ukuthi mela pass sideways. Serino, I'm surprised why the coach substitute him. I think he's the only guy who was trying. Individual brilliant yakhe, he was using a lot of energy. Umuntu beka off. I think it was Shishi. The system mangabe middle. I3 leni dlala i-diamond system. Leni dlala in middle.
What do you say?
Mandlani 3. Mabuye between Mabuye angithi Rivaldo mid between Mabuye and Mkhulisi must join. He must join, yeah. As mhlambe from the T ngikhuluma ngele bayibiza ngokuthi irun yokugcina kusho ukuthi it's a dead man run sort of, you understand, whereby noma ngabe bantu there's a first pole by attackile second pole somebody must come behind. It's called the dead man run, so
it's a late run into the box.
I mean you can say that, we understand. So beyangayenzi le nto was far badlala bayi3 bamile la middle ba check ba supporteni ngoba umshishi is off kulabantu aba front 3, so mangabe umshishi is off usually they say must stay more off central. You mustn't run sideways but beka end up run sideways because ibhola belingafiki noma ngabe belifika thola ukuthi there's somebody behind him Makaula usondela phambi kwakhe balwini. Simple. So Serino every time he got the ball bengeka yenze le nto take umuntu on every time bengeka yenze le nto. So Mshishi I think up front was a downfall. Mkhulisi ngokuluza amabhola amaningi. Lose amabhola amaningi, not being supportive kulabantu abayi3 as well bekuyi downfall Sundowns. And Amazulu side nabo they were concerned about Mamelodi Sundowns
for sure. You
can see in the big game emotions there now. From on the bench coaching staff you could see Penny he wanted, I think he began in King and the Sundowns, he was concerned with Sundowns effect because his players bobona beba fika qale polweni and they could tackle everything. You understand Angulego? So ile nto batshele on ukuthi he mustn't allow them to have the ball.
Be aggressive on the ball.
Yeah, the ground iqala imspanele upeni secondly by that information. I think he message I tell those players ukuthi must be aggressive. There was no more creating chances from both teams. The Sundowns as usual is not being a dominant. Ground balimazile, but nala in the middle they were not there was no combination yabo ukuthi yeah.
Are you more disappointed with Amazulu? Because I mean, I was saying this to Tso, ukuthi look, you have an opportunity to uhlokoloza number 1. If anyone in the country, yabazi abantu balilizwe masibanjani. Amazulu, we build these games up really, but you know which team is the best team in this country. But abakwazi no bahlokoloza, abakwazi no score, they're not even going there to take the 3 points away from the Sundowns.
Amazulu wadlala ngama department. Amazulu wadlala ngama department. South Africa nkuleko leave them man. People who are South Africa bazokumangaza. Leave them. Now no manje ba create ilo ukuthi Junior said Sundowns won't win anything. There's nothing like that. Sundowns, they will win this league. Simple. I said that 4 weeks ago. Inkuleko Amazulu they concern number 2. He's concerned about number 1. Why thathi igame isalapha? I mean there's no fans whereby igame badlali Kings with it nama game one. The Moses Mapita, I don't know what's going on, but I don't think Moses Mapita in a problem. So it tells you the never. So Amazulu wadlala ngama department nama game wabo nyabukela. Individual talent ba winele game Lenga was outstanding. Unfortunate not to get a goal. Sometimes mina ngomthembi ukudlala angifuni center back. Angifuni umuntu receive ball after ipile lakhe. Thembi is doing nothing. Is there tap in, that's all. He's not a player for me. I'm Spanel Upeni. So Sithebe sometimes he pass sideways. I know abantu bamrate is like write paragraph ungasho ukuthi uzothini ngihlale ngenze example ngaloko. Sithebe good player, technical is good. Pass sideways. Uno more energy, pass sideways. Makaula as a player.
Oh my word.
He makes things is a good player because number 1 understand the position. Yes. He make things easy. Badlala by 2. Sometimes badlala by 3, but you could see you shy double up effort.
They were not outnumbered.
Yeah, angithi manje when you understand the cover distance. Must understand that thing. I think we can. And then bese into basiza futhi njoba ngisho. Memela if sometimes he's playing, he score goals. Yeah, Makubane some chance, but Memela those individual Machoro, they've got Nduli. They've got those strikers where I can finish up. But in terms of badlala ngama department ibhola sokumidfield ukuthi banako ukuyenza but not comfortable that much ukuthi bangaphuma kuma tight situation. So namhlanje ba concern ngeSundowns. I could see na Sundowns I create so many chances.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, ayidlalanga grand as ngizoba nevar, but Sundowns inatolisa far to compare to this team on DStv Premiership. I don't care who says what. Ngishilo vele ukuthi African Champions League ngeke win, but South Africa ukuthi DStv Premiership they can win each and every game. Otherwise ba draw and it's away. Iyabasuta. Ukuze ubadle kumele ba draw, that's all. You must plan ukuthi benze lento enza Amazulu bayise ground in Israel.
All right, last one. 9 matches left. You believe ukuthi they can close out all of those games and finish the league unbeaten, create history?
Namhlanje badlala ngamaZulu. Ukutshelile nkuleko ngeke baluze game. Bazo draw. Igame draw. Igame engathi izobanika inkinga it's a draw to them. Losing no. They can the reason bengisho ku Champions League ukuthi 11 abi strong but on the bench. Mangitshela abantu ukuthi this is not the best team compare lama season amanye Sundowns. Iprovekile ngale game ukuthi TTM but TTM nayo idlala ngagrade. Sundowns baba maintainile. True. Lapho make no mistake they did maintain and credit to them. Mara in South Africa masingaba nevar. If you're gonna play Sundowns and then abantu bajabulise ukuthi this team is maintain Sundowns, I create my chances. They maintain. I'm sorry, going backwards. It's 0. I'm sorry, understanding of football. We need to dig deep and ask if us understand. This was my question. Yeah.
All right, there you go. It is good time to see iDiskiTV on Facebook as well. WSP.co.za. Thank you so much for watching our videos.